today we are going to read Lion King.
The Lion King. Okay, Luna and I are going to read The Lion King. 너부터 읽어볼 거야? You go first.
Okay. From the smallest ant to the largest elephant, every living thing.
It's too fast.
Sorry. From the smallest ant to the largest elephant, every living thing has a place in the great circle of life. Mufasa's place was king of the lions. Sarabi was the queen, and their newborn cub, Simba, would one day take his father's place as a lion king.
But on this day, little Simba rested in the hands of the wise baboon Rafiki, who sprinkled the cup with dust and welcomed the future king to the great circle of life. Okay, you?
Mufasa's brother, Scar. Mufasa's brother, Scar, did not attend the ceremony. Mufasa's brother, Scar, did not attend the ceremony. He was not happy that Simba was next in line to rule the lands. For Scar had always wanted to be king.
Oh, yeah. Time passed and Simba grew. Only one morning, Mufasa took him to the top of the Pride Rock.
Simba, look, he said. Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
Wow, the young lion said. Then he asked, what about the shadowy place?
That's beyond our borders.
He's absolutely right, Scar slyly agreed. An elephant graveyard is no place for young fish. Only the bravest lion goes there. As Scar knew, Simba would want to prove that he was brave.
안 보여.
So he said nothing as Simba hurried off to find his friend Nala and ask her to explore the mysterious shadowlands with him.
It's so creepy, whispered Nala excitedly. Come on, said Simba. Let's check it out.
Okay, your turn. Zazu, the king's minister, had been looking for the cubs. When he caught up with them, he warned, "We are too far from the front line." But Simba only said,
Oh my